Today I will show you my everyday makeup and hair routine. First step is applying a skin booster to hydrate your skin. This one is from Vichy, one of my favorites. Next, I apply my moisturizer that has SPF 30 from Vichy too to protect my skin. For my brows, I like to use a pencil, and this is from Maybelline. I always start from the bottom of my brow to the upper part, and then at the center of my brow I just do straight upward motions to create the hair, and always follow the shape so it looks more natural, and finish with a spoolie to blend all the product. For foundation, I like to use a Tinted Skin Veil from NYX. This has a light coverage and just helps me even out my skin, and I always apply it in upward motions and make sure to blend it evenly with a brush or a sponge. My favorite concealer is this CoverGirl. It has a full coverage and is very easy to blend. As you can see, I'm applying it in the areas where I need extra coverage and under my eyes to remove the darkness, and using a sponge, slightly blending the product and applying also on the eyelids as my eye primer. To warm up my face, I'm using the Physician Formula Sculpting Bronzer. This product is very good, very creamy and organic, and I'm using it to contour my face and give it more dimension, and blending with a sponge. To give more shine and glow to my skin, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. This is a liquid illuminator to just brighten my face, and I'm applying it in the highest point of my cheekbones and my brow, my nose, and my cupid's bone. For blush, I'm using the Physicians Formula Cream Blush. This product is very hydrating. It will make your cheeks look beautiful, and I'm using my fingers to apply it, and also I'm applying it as my eyeshadow base. This is a great tip to do a quick and easy makeup look using your blush as your eyeshadow as well. And to make sure everything is even and smooth, just blend it with a sponge. It's always very important to set your concealer, especially under your eye. You want to make sure that the concealer doesn't crease, and as you can see, I'm using a very small brush to strategically place the product. You don't want to powder all your face, just the T-zone and your under eye area. To set your cream blush, it's always good to add a powder blush to just ensure the longevity of the makeup, and using the same blush, apply it on your eyelids to tie the look together, and also help you to maintain it all day long. To set the cream bronzer, now I'm using a powder bronzer just to ensure that the contour of my face will remain nice and smooth, and I'm using the same bronzer and apply it on my crease area just to give more dimension to the eye, and apply it on the lower lash as well. Just to add a little bit more dimension to the eye, I'm using that bronzy brown and applying it with a flat brush on the outer corners of my eye, just to create a small wing and to make my eye shape a little bit more oval and more, defined. For mascara, always make sure to look down into a mirror to get a better application and easier application. Also, apply some mascara on the lower lash just to open up your eye, and I like to use the tip of my applicator to do that step. For the finishing touches, Adding a highlighter under your brow will brighten and open up your eye. And also adding a little bit on the inner corner will make your eyes pop. For your lip, I always like to start applying a lip liner to define the shape, and also it will help with the longevity of the lipstick. And after applying a lip gloss, just to make the lips look more juicy and beautiful. To finish this look, just add some setting spray to keep your makeup all day long. Now it's time to refresh my curls. I'm just adding some water to wet my hair and activate whatever product is on my hair. To control the frizz, I'm using the Curl Keeper gel to smooth the hair and make it less frizzy, and using my fingers to spread the product. Next, I'm using the 8 Oil Blend Jelly from Up North Natural just to give more hydration and shine to my ends. Now I'm just shaking my roots to separate the curls so it looks fuller and with more volume. Lastly, scrunch the ends so the curls can form nicely, and here you have your curl refreshed. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. See you next week. Bye.